have a second video. The last video we have taken some of the shortcut keys, and today in the second video we are covering a few more shortcut keys here. So I already told you that from A to Z we have completed, and today in the video we are covering K to T alphabets, and we are covering and we are using, and for each alphabets what kind of shortcut keys we are using. So let's start. So we have here control K for the hyperlink. Hyperlink means when you want to link any website to the particular word, we use hyperlink. So then we have L means left alignment. In MS Word we have alignments: right alignment, left alignment, and center alignment. So L is for left alignment. M is for, we are using this control M in MS PowerPoint for new slide. Whenever you want to insert any slide in a PowerPoint, we are using a shortcut key called control M. So and we have control N for new file. So when you want to take a new file, can be Word, PowerPoint, Excel, we are using shortcut key called control N. And we have control O means open. When you want to open any file, so we are using a shortcut key called control O. Suppose it can be any file, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So and we have control P means print. Print means when you want to take a print of any file. So we are using control P. And Q means, Q we are using in MS Word removing formatting. When you want to remove any formatting, sometimes we format the data, and suddenly if you want to remove that, we are using control Q, remove formatting. Okay, so and R means right alignment. L is left alignment, R is right alignment. So now, and we have S, you already know S is for save. And the last here we have T. T means new tab. Where we are using this new tab? New tab when you are browsing. Suppose when you open any Google Chrome or any Mozilla Firefox, we want to take a new tab in this. We are using a shortcut key called control T. Yes, and the T is new tab, and the next word we have here underline. Underline means whichever word that you want to feel that you want to mark that as important. We use a shortcut key called control U that can be underlined for each word. So whichever word you have selected. Underlining means the down line will be a one line will come after a word. A V means paste. Sometimes we have to do, when we copy, we have to paste. So that is the rule. V is pasting this data where you want to paste. We are using a shortcut key called V. Control W means close tab. In control T, what will happen? We inserted a tab, but if you want to close that tab, we are using control W to close the tab. Okay, then control X is for cut. Why we have to use a cut? The shortcut key is control X when you want to change the location of any file or any data. So we are using a shortcut key control X for cut. And Y is for redo. Redo is a shortcut key to taking a last action back which we deleted. Undo means it is also the deleted things to take back, but there is a difference, redo and undo. Redo does, it takes only last action. Undo it takes till the 100 times that you have deleted, you are able to take back. Okay, this is all about today's video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.